Get scholarships up to 43% plus talent grants. Apply now through Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Company Limited, your trusted study abroad partner. University location, best country, Canada, Quebec, Montreal, business and IT programs. Analytics, big data and business intelligence tuition fees, $32,000. Scholarship, $12,000, 37.5% off. Emerging talent, grant, $2,500. You pay only $17,500. Computer security analyst tuition fees, $30,000. Scholarship, $12,000, 40.0% off. Emerging talent, grant, $2,500. You pay only $15,500. E-commerce and online business management. Tuition fees, $28,000. Scholarship, $12,000, 42.9% off. Emerging talent, grant, $4,500. You pay only $11,500. Business administration. Tuition fees, $25,000. Scholarship, $10,000, 40.0% off. Emerging talent, grant, $2,000. You pay only $13,000. Supply chain management. Tuition fees, $28,000. Scholarship, $10,000, 35.7% off. Emerging talent, grant, $3,000. You pay only $15,000. Creative and media programs, film and television production. Tuition fees, $14,630. Scholarship, $3,000, 20.5% off. Emerging talent, grant, $2,000. You pay only $9,630. Audio and video post-production tuition fees, $32,000. Scholarship, $10,000, 31.25% off. Emerging talent, grant, $3,500. You pay only $18,500. Sound design. Tuition fees, $14,630. Scholarship, $3,000, 20.5% off. Emerging talent, grant, $2,000. You pay only $9,630. Entertainment and event management. Music business administration. Tuition fees, $13,700. Scholarship, $3,000, 21.9% off. Emerging talent, grant, $1,000. You pay only $9,700. Show and event management. Tuition fees, $9,164. Scholarship, non-emerging talent. Grant, $1,000. You pay only $8,164. Why apply with Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Company Limited? Free admission support study. Visa application, help up to 43% scholarships airport pickup in Canada, USA, UK, South Korea, China, North Cyprus, Germany. Contact us today. Email, infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. WhatsApp, +1 431 302 226. Website, www.visaconsultantcanada.com. Our offices, Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Co. Ltd. Rwanda Town Center Building, near Simba Supermarket, 2nd floor. Door F2B022C, Nyarugenge, Kigali. infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. Kenya Embu Dallas, CFF Street. info@visaconsultantcanada.co.ke. Ghana Ahinsa Estate. Kumasi admission at Visa Consultant Canada. Zambia plot number 40, St. Francis Road, Bonaventure, Lusaka. infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. Tanzania registered office, Dar es Salaam region, Ubungo district, Ward Mbezi, postal code 16113, Mbezi Luis, Mbezi High School. infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. South Korea, Suwon Paldal-gu, Paldal-moon-ro, 115 Byongil 38, first floor +82, 10-9862-0978. General contact info, WhatsApp, +1 438 290 6688. Phone, +1 263 588 5750. Info says at visaconsultantcanada.com. www.visaconsultantcanada.com. Parrot representative contacts worldwide, Hungary. +36 70 352 7547. Kenya, Nairobi. +254 711 807646. Uganda, Kampala. +256 784 547702. China, +86 131 3257 74440. Turkey, +90 533 869 40 92. USA, +1 567 329 to 9231. Rwanda, +250 780 273 122. Ghana, +233 59 340 0478. Canada, +1 431 302 0226. Zambia, +260 972 968285. Mozambique, +258 86 352 3312. South Korea, +82 10 9862 0978. South Africa, +27 79 344 7466. Belarus, +375 25 767 83 81.